Hi, and welcome to Home Decor 101. If this is your first time here, I am so happy. Welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is something that I'm very excited to bring with you and to discuss. We're going to be diving into the concept of slow decorating. Now, in a world where everything seems to be moving at lightning speed, slow decorating offers a refreshing approach to home design. Sometimes when you move into a new home or a new apartment, condo, the first thing people say is, oh, when are you going to get it all together? And for some people, that's just not an option right then. Some people have a really clear idea of how they want to decorate. And other people, well, it just takes them a little while to curate what they want. So we're going to explore the advantages of this concept and why it's gaining popularity among homeowners seeking a more mindful and intentional approach to decorating their spaces. So let's start at the beginning. What is slow decorating? Slow decorating is a mindset that encourages thoughtful and very deliberate choices when it comes to furnishing and decorating your home. It's all about taking your time to curate a space that really reflects your personality, your values, and your lifestyle, rather than succumbing to fleeting trends or impulse purchases. So basically, to break that down, slow decorating is all about not scrolling Pinterest and seeing kind of what everyone is doing and trying to copy and emulate that in your home. It's all about really taking time to think about what is beautiful to you, what is peaceful to you, what decor style would you love to be surrounded by, and then slowly and thoughtfully getting those pieces to really create this amazing masterpiece of a home. So let's explore some of the advantages of embracing the slow decorating approach. One of the key benefits is sustainability. So by investing in quality, timeless pieces and really trying to avoid the fast furniture trend, you can reduce waste and minimize your environmental footprint. Slow decorating also promotes mindfulness and a sense of well-being, as it encourages you to slow down, to really sort of enjoy the process of designing and decorating your home and creating a home that brings you joy. So here's an example of that. You need a coffee table. You can easily run to Walmart or Target just to get something to go ahead and say, okay, now I have a coffee table. But slow decorating means figuring out what you want and then taking your time to shop different stores, garage sales, thrift stores, until you find your proverbial perfect coffee table. So another advantage of slow decorating is the opportunity to really create meaningful spaces with personal significance. Whether it's displaying cherished heirlooms that you may have gotten passed down from family member generations before, or it could be incorporating handmade items from local artists in your community, or even curating a gallery wall of meaningful artwork that you have picked up throughout your travels. Slow decorating allows you to infuse your home with stories, with memories, and with authenticity, something we don't talk about a lot when it comes to decorating your home. So why is slow decorating gaining popularity? In today's world of go, 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 many people are really seeking ways to simplify their lives and to really create this sense of connection and meaning in their surroundings. Slow decorating offers a counterbalance to the culture of instant gratification, encouraging us to slow down, appreciate the beauty in everyday moments, and create spaces that really nourish our souls. Instant gratification is something that I feel like us as a human population, we kind of have pretty bad. Think of social media sites like TikTok, where you watch a video for 15 or 30 seconds and then swipe to the next one. It's that whole theory of needing to be satisfied instantaneously. So if you're ready to really embrace the concept of slow decorating in your home, whether you have just moved to a home or an apartment or a condo or even just a room, or you're wanting to redecorate in a style that's more authentic to you, here are a few tips to really get you started. The first is probably the most obvious. Take your time to research and select furniture and a decor style that really connects with you on a deep level. The perfect example would be farmhouse was everywhere for a while, and I had so many friends that would call me and say, "Oh, I found this ladder that would be perfect for farmhouse. I'm redoing my house farmhouse." And I said, "Oh, I didn't know that you like that style." And one of my friends said, "Well, I really don't, but that's what everyone is doing right now." And it kind of connected with me. Sometimes we see a beautifully decorated home and we feel that we have to copy that style to live in a beautifully decorated home. But really, it's all about finding what you feel is beautiful and building from there. Consider the craftsmanship, the materials, and longevity of each item before you make a purchase. Second, declutter and simplify your space to really create a calm and peaceful environment that allows your chosen pieces to shine. I hope you find this video inspiring. I've tried to find pictures of rooms and homes that really embrace the concept of slow decorating. From cozy little cottages filled with vintage treasures to modern apartments that are still curated with care, these spaces really demonstrate the beauty that slow decorating can bring to any home. Also, it's important to note, slow decorating is not a design style, it's how you're designing your design style. So you can go ahead and decide to enjoy decorating your space slow, whether you have a vintage style home, a contemporary home, art deco, modern organic, and everything in between. Slow decorating really offers a mindful and a purposeful approach to decorating rooms that are not only beautiful, but that really mean something to you. It tells your story, your family's story. By embracing slow decorating principles, you can piece together this perfect space. It doesn't have to be a mansion. Like I said, it could be a condo, an apartment, even a room in someone else's house. But that is your story. It's all about how you decide to decorate. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.